meet Saqib at Greenville, South Carolina, where he's graduating tomorrow. So can't wait to see him.
Oh, opposite of me.
Looks like we are approaching. That's a beautiful sculpture. I hear that Greenville has over 200 sculptures. This is the city of sculptures. So hopefully you'll be able to catch a few. This is the first one that I'm seeing here. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. That is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, phenomenal. So glad I got to see this. Wow, this is the future. This is by Ford. Look at that. That is so amazing. And this is just at the airport. They've got sculptures all over. I'm super impressed. This is just breathtaking. I love it. I love the sculptures. I think I see him. There he is. I'm so excited. Finally, he's here. Hello, college graduate. How are you? All right, we're here now. Very nice. I love the trees here. They're so beautiful, so different, right?
Continue for 1 mile.
Wow, look at the flowers. Oh, wow. Here's another sculpture right there. There's a false. Look how pretty that is. So that's the hotel we're staying at, Loft. And then they've got pretty lighting going on. Oh, these look. Oh, I want to see what's out there. Oh, how lovely. Hello, Saqib. Planning on coming out? There's Saqib right there. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Beautiful. There are restaurants all over the place. There's Best in there too.
Yeah.
How
and
do you
this
know
road
which
goes,
side has the better restaurants?
Yeah. So this path goes straight to Falls Park.
Oh, good. That's where
That's
we
where
want
that
to go.
famous
Yeah.
waterfall is.
And the tree. I want to see the Medusa tree.
We're at the park actually.
Are we?
Yeah,
Where
it's
the
on
falls?
the left.
Acha. Should we cross over then? Or wait?
Whenever.
Oh, and look, they've got a picture right there of the falls that we'll be seeing
Yes,
soon.
so that is the aerial view right there in that picture. That's where we are headed right now. Want to take a look at these falls in Greenville and the small river that flows right through downtown. And Fatma, I see a few more statues up front.
Oh, yeah. I think there are over like 200 art and sculptures.
Wow. Here's another sculpture. Look at this sculpture.
We should keep a
Fatma.
count on how many we are
I'm
catching.
going to zoom out so we can
Yeah,
see
get
the entire
full.
thing. Wow. This is pretty cool. This is a
wow.
sculpture
Oh, how
by
neat.
Zan Wells and Charles
Wow.
Bate. Beautiful
How
background
neat
too.
is that? Oh my goodness. Love it. I think all the fountain and the water kind of gives the air a little bit more cooling effect as well.
Just look at this.
Oh, look
It's
at
so
that
beautiful.
wall across from us. That's a
Yeah,
waterfall
I see.
too.
Yeah. Let's go find it. And we must find a place to eat as well.
What a neat sculpture there too. And then just turn around. The bridge comes. Wow, how cute. Did you know that they use these falls, the water pressure, to run the original textile mills here?
I did not know that.
They were harvesting the hydropower.
Wow.
I think it was like in the 1800s. Do you see the sunset? How lovely
I
that
do.
is, right? Hey guys, so we made it to the falls. Yeah, they're right behind us. And just a beautiful atmosphere. I love this Greenville.
Here's another piece of art in Greenville, downtown.
Take a look at this rock.
There you go.
I was saying it kind of looks like
on the Reedy.
whimsical, right? It's so neat.
Yeah.
And there, you said there's a
Pretty cool.
suspension bridge. Let's go down.
Yeah, let's go see the suspension bridge.
Place is filled with beautiful trees and they have flowers on them. I'm wanting to see the Medusa tree. I think it's kind of around here, so we shall definitely look for that. It's one of the older trees here. It's about 82, maybe 90 years old. And when they were making the pathway, it disrupted the roots and they got exposed. So now the roots look like as if they were Medusa's hair.
I think
So
somebody
I'm
just got
really
engaged on the left.
Excited to see that. Oh, there is that suspension bridge. So ahead is the suspension bridge, and looks pretty impressive right there. Oh, and the birds are singing. So this is the cradle of Greenville. Beautifully, they've just maintained their whole city.
What a
Several
nice place
picnic
to hang
spots.
out.
Yeah. It is really. It's so unique to this place. I've never seen any place like this. That you can just touch the water. It's like so close. It's so romantically done. I love the way they have the little lights
There you go. Beautiful. Hey Fatma, look over here.
Yeah? Enjoying the downtown. Maybe we can find a place that has outdoor seating.
Okay.
Oh, you
So
said
let's take
we
out
should go that
Google
way, right?
Maps and
Yeah.
look.
We didn't see the Medusa tree yet, though. We have to find that too.
Okay.
Let's go eat and then. Oh, I see it, Saqib.
Where?
Can you zoom in? Oh my goodness.
Which one is it?
That right there through this. Here we are, photobombing in the mirror. They have a prop going on by the Medusa tree. So, hi guys. Very pretty.